Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Today I'm gonna show you how to cook rice and beans two ways. We all know that rice and beans don't have the same cooking time, and sometimes it is very challenging to cook both of them together. So I'm just gonna show you how to cook rice and beans two ways. So I'll be using 2 cups of long grain rice and a cup of brown beans for each recipe, but you can use any type of rice or beans of your choice. In order to save time and energy, I'm gonna be adding the other cup of beans to this one so that I will cook everything at once. So I'm just gonna give the beans a quick wash, then add enough water into the pot, then add the washed beans and cook for about an hour. You do not need to add anything to the beans at this moment. So while the beans is cooking, I'm gonna use this opportunity to cut my onion and habanero pepper. I am using 1/3 of a large onion. You can use as much or less as you want. So if you are new to my channel or you are a returning viewer and you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell so that you can get an alert whenever I post a video. Like and share the video if you like what you see. Thank you. And a special shout out to all those that have subscribed. You guys are the best. I love you. Thank you and God bless you. I am also on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest and TikTok. You can also follow me there. Thank you. After cooking the beans for about an hour, I'm gonna drain and rinse the beans and also use this time to split the beans into 2 parts. As you can see from the way I am mashing the beans, you would know that the beans is cooked but not very tender. So we need to cook the beans some more. So I'm just gonna split the beans into 2 equal parts for the 2 recipes. Don't forget that I cooked the 2 cups of beans together to save time and energy. So for the rice, I'm gonna heat up some water, bring it to a boil, then pour the boiling water into the rice and cover the rice to soak for about 5 to 15 minutes. But if you don't want to soak or parboil your rice, you can wash your rice until the water runs clean. After 5 minutes, I'm gonna wash the rice until the water runs clean. This helps to reduce the starch from the rice. For the first method of cooking rice and beans, we're gonna be cooking the rice and beans together. That's why I am adding the washed rice to the beans. Add enough water to cook the rice because the beans is almost done. Mix everything together. Add salt to taste and also stir it. Taste to see if the salt is enough. If it is not, add more. So I'm just gonna stir it again to make sure it's properly mixed and also add a little bit of water. I will cover it to cook until the water dries up. After 35 minutes, the water is dried up. I'm just gonna check to see if everything is done. If everything is done, I'll take it off the heat. But if not, I'm gonna add a little bit of water to cook it some more. There is no need to add water since the rice and beans are done. I'm just gonna fluff it and set it aside. I cooked it on medium heat, I forgot to say that. For the other version, I'm gonna add water to the other part of the beans. Add the chopped onion and pepper. I'm also gonna be adding some washed whole crayfish. Add salt to taste and mix together. So I'm gonna be cooking these beans separately. So the beans is gonna cook on its own. Then I'm gonna cook the rice separately. So I'm gonna be cooking the beans on medium-low heat for about 40 to 45 minutes. It is very important to always check that your food is well seasoned before you continue cooking. So I'm gonna periodically check to see how it is cooking. And because the beans is boiling over, I'm going to cover it halfway. While the beans is cooking, I'm going to heat up some water, bring it to a boil, and then pour it into the rice and cover it to soak for about 5 minutes. I am practically repeating the same thing I did with the other rice. So soak it, wash it. When it runs clear, add enough water to cook the rice and some salt. Then cover it to cook for about 25 to 30 minutes. I will be cooking the rice on medium heat. So let us check on the beans. The water has reduced considerably, so I'm going to check to see if it is really done. The beans looks done, so I'm just going to let it cook down till the water almost evaporates. So after cooking for a few minutes, it has almost dried up. So I'm just going to stir it together. It has a little bit of moisture, so I'm just going to stir it together. Your beans is ready. One last check. The beans is ready, so we're gonna wait for the rice. So the beans was cooked for about 45 minutes. Finally, the rice is done. I cooked the rice for about 30 minutes. It is fluffy and perfect. So these are the two ways to cook your rice and beans. You can cook your rice and beans together, or you can cook them separately. And you can also use any ratio of rice to beans. So if you want a lot of beans, add more beans. If you want less beans, add less. And if you have a very picky eater that does not want their food to be mixed together, you can cook the rice and beans separately so that they can enjoy like this. A quick reminder to all those that have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you can get an alert whenever I post a new video. Like and share the video if you like what you see. And you can also invite your friends. And don't forget that subscription is free. You're not paying for anything. You're just coming to enjoy the videos. Okay, back to the rice and beans. So do you have any favorite method? I like both of them, but this one that we cooked separately, I like it because the beans is really seasoned, so that adds an extra taste or flavor to the food. So whichever one you like, you can give this a try the next time you want to cook your rice and beans. It is very easy to make. You can also make it into jollof rice and beans. It is very delicious. So don't forget to give this a try. I hope you enjoyed it. I have so many other wonderful videos. Go to my channel and check them out. Thank you so much. So thank you guys for watching. Till I see you next time. Stay safe, stay blessed. I love you. Bye.